Now we will solve some numericals based on whatever part we have covered. That is cell potential using Nernst equation. Okay, so that the theoretical part will be more clear to you. Always remember, when you will solve problems of your own, the theory will be more clear to you. Okay, so because the actual values you are getting, isn't it? So first of all, we will solve one problem. That is the 10th problem from this chapter. Calculate the voltage of the cell. What is the problem? Calculate the voltage of the cell. What you have to calculate? Potential or voltage of the cell. Which cell? Cell is given to you. Short notation Sn Sn2 plus. Sn2 plus concentration is 0.02 molar. Ag plus, which is 0.01 molar, Ag. Okay, at 25 degrees Celsius. And what is the given? Standard potential of electrode potential of Sn, that is tin, is minus 0.136 volts, and standard potential of silver electrode, that is 0.800 volts. These are the things which are given. What is to be calculated? You have to calculate the voltage of the complete cell. So we will write first of all Nernst equation. By Nernst equation, E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0592 upon N log of concentration of products upon concentration of reactants. Okay. Now see, here we have to substitute the values so that you can get our E cell. Okay. So if you will see the formula carefully, is E naught cell given to you? No. E naught cell is not given. Okay. E naught for half cells they are given. Okay. So E naught cell you have to calculate first of all. Okay. Then these products upon reactants. So which are the products and which are the reactants for the complete cell reaction? That you have, for substitution of that, you have to write down the cell reactions. Okay, half cell reactions and then complete cell reaction. So we will write that aside. See, Sn is converted into Sn2 plus. You know, left hand side is oxidation reaction. So Sn giving Sn2 plus plus 2E minus. This is the reaction, oxidation reaction which is taking place at anode. At cathode, Ag plus single positive charge, so it will accept one electron and it will be converted into silver. Okay, so if you observe the reactions carefully, 2 electrons are given at anode and only 1 electron is accepted at cathode. So you know what you have to do? You have to multiply the whole equation by, if you will multiply whole equation by 2, the number of electrons which are given at anode and the number of electrons which are taken at cathode, they will become the same. So what you want to do? Multiply this equation by 2. 2Ag plus 2E minus giving 2Ag. Okay. And now if you will add, you will get the complete cell reaction. These are the half cell reactions which we have written. Okay. So what is the complete cell reaction? Sn plus 2Ag plus giving Sn2 plus 2Ag. Isn't it? Now we can substitute the these reactants and products in the formula. Okay. So what will be the products? Products will be Sn2 plus concentration upon reactants will be Ag plus ion concentration, and concentrations of solids Ag and Sn, that will be unity. Okay. Now what else is to be determined? We have to determine E naught cell also. We have to determine E naught cell also, because E naught cell is not given. Okay. So if you will recollect the formula for getting E naught cell, yes, E naught cell will be equal to, complete cell will be equal to E naught oxidation, E naught reduction cathode, E naught reduction cathode, okay, minus E naught reduction anode, minus E naught reduction anode. Okay. Now which is the cathode of the cell. If you will observe the short notation, cathode of the cell is silver half cell, and the potential which is given, standard potential for silver half cell is 0.800, okay, minus inert reduction for anode. What is the value given? Minus 0.136. So it will be minus 0.136. This minus sign is of formula, and this is the potential which is given. So it will be equal to 0.800 plus 0.136. 0.800 plus 0.136, and you will get the value 0.936, which is equal to 0.936 volts. So what we have done, we have separately calculated inert cell value. Okay, this will carry, you have to calculate it neatly by writing formula, then substitution. Okay, so that because marks are there for the steps. So this value you are going to substitute now in Nernst equation. So E cell, which we have to calculate, is equal to inert cell. What is that? 0.936. Okay, minus 0.0. What is N? N is number of electrons involved are 2 in number. So upon 2 log of which species? Concentration of Sn2 plus. Concentration of Sn2 plus upon concentration of Ag plus raised to 2. Ag plus raised to 2. Okay? See the formula carefully. Now, concentrations are given. Sn2 plus concentration and silver ion concentration, both the concentrations are given, isn't it? See, 0.02 for Sn2 plus and Ag plus is 0.01. So if you substitute again, it will be 0.936 minus 0.0592 upon 2. Sn2 plus concentration, what it is? 0.02 upon Ag plus is 0.01 raised to 2, isn't it? So this will become log of 200. This will be log of 200. So we will continue here. Is equal to 0.936 minus 0.0592 upon 2 log of 200 to the base 10. Okay. Now if you will solve this, okay, log of 200 is 2.301. Log of 200 is 2.301. Okay, and using log table, if you will solve the problem, you will do the calculations, you will get the value 0.8679. 0.8679, that is the voltage of the complete cell. Are you getting? So step by step we have solved the problem. First of all, you are going to write down the formula. Nernst equation you are going to write. What is not given from Nernst equation, that is standard cell potential. Okay, and these concentrations of products and reactants, that also you have to substitute. So for writing that, first of all, standard potential of the cell is calculated by using formula. E cell is equal to inert reduction cathode minus inert reduction anode. Both the values are given. That is calculated separately. Okay. Now for getting these products and reactants, you have to write down cell reactions, half cell reactions, and then complete cell reaction, so that in complete cell reaction you will be getting those products and reactants, and their concentrations are given in the problem. And if you will substitute all the values, then what you will get? Finally, you will get the cell potential. So what you have to do? Step by step you have to proceed. Write down the equation. Then what is not given from that equation, that you have to find out first. Okay. All these things you have to write very clearly, because for steps marks are there. Directly if you will write equation, then half mark will be cut. So write down half cell reactions so that you will get number of electrons involved also, n, isn't it? So solve problem like this. Now we are going to solve one more problem. That is 11th. See, the problem is calculate the standard potential of electrode. The standard potential of electrode. See the term. 11th problem. The standard potential of electrode, that is half cell. The standard potential of electrode. Which electrode? Zn2 plus Zn. Zn2 plus is 0.02 molar. Okay, is minus 0.76 volts. For this particular half cell Zn2 plus Zn, the potential given is minus 0.76 volts. Calculate its potential. See the terms carefully. See the terms carefully. The standard potential of the electrode, that is E naught. For this particular half cell Zn2 plus Zn, only half cell is there, only one electrode is there, is minus 0.76. So E naught, what is given? E naught Zn, isn't it? Standard means E naught. E naught Zn is given and its value is minus 0.76 volts. Calculate its potential. Means what? Potential which is not under standard conditions, that is EZn you have to calculate. So immediately you will get idea. It is a problem based on Nernst equation, which is giving us relationship between potential under standard condition and potential under non-standard condition. Okay. So what is the equation for electrode? E electrode, here zinc electrode is there, is equal to E naught zinc minus 0.0592 upon N, isn't it? And again you have to write down concentration of products upon concentration of reactants. This is the equation. So from this equation, E naught Zn is given. Okay, N you can get by writing the reaction. Products and reactants also you can substitute after writing the reaction. So which reaction you are going to write? Reaction for reduction of zinc. So Zn2 plus 2E minus giving Zn. Zn2 plus 2E minus giving Zn. This is the reaction. Okay. The number of electrons involved are 2 in number. Okay. Products are Zn and reactant Zn2 plus. So if you substitute, what you will get? E naught Zn is minus 0.76 minus 0.0592 upon 2, isn't it? Now this concentration of metal or solid you can say is unity. Therefore 1 upon Zn2 plus ion concentration, that is 0.02, isn't it? That you can substitute. Or you can write here first of all Zn2 plus. So it will be equal to minus 0.76 plus you can write 0.0592 upon 2. It is 0.02 to the base 10. Okay. Now if you solve this particular problem, you will get the value minus 0.81 volts. Minus 0.81 volts, that is the value of electrode potential which is not measured under standard conditions. and difference between these two, E naught minus E, okay, that will give us the correction factor, that is this part, that will give us the correction factor. Okay, so after solving problems, I think the theory is more clear to you, isn't it? So what you do after learning theory, solve problems. After solving problems, again go to theory. Okay, so we will stop here and we will continue in the next video.